Good morning, students. Today we are going to study your writing book, English writing book named Applied English. From the book Applied English, today we will study chapter number 4, Biographical Sketch. Biographical sketch means biography. About the biography means story story of the life of a person we have to write. Let's open page number biographical sketch, page number 43, exercise assignment number B5, page 45. First number question. Given below is some information about Dr. Zakir Hussain, one of our great freedom fighters. Use the information to write his bio sketch. Biographical short form bio sketch in about 100 words. We have to write the life story of Dr. Zakir Hussain. He was one of our great freedom fighters. He was also the president of our country. Information is given in the box. First we read the information. Information is not incomplete sentence, short information. So first we read the incomplete short information from the box, and then we will write incomplete sentence. These information are not complete sentences. We have to write complete sentences by using subject, verb, object. Sentence structure is subject, verb, object. So we will write complete sentence. First we read the information. Dr. Zakir Hussain, one of our great freedom fighters. Born 1897, Hyderabad. We see that sentences are not complete, incomplete, short, incomplete sentences. There we have to add subject and verb and object to make them sentence. Secular and human. Secular means person having respect for all religions. Human means kind. A lover of knowledge. Held responsible positions in the field of education. Elected President of India in 1967. Bharat Ratna Award in 1963. These are the information. Incomplete information, we have to write them in full complete sentence. What we will write, I am going to speak. Listen very carefully. In slow speed, I will speak the answer. How you will write? We will write, Dr. Zakir Hussain was one of our great freedom fighters. Full stop. He was born in 1897 in Hyderabad. Full stop. He believed in secular and human ideas. Full stop. He was a great lover of knowledge and held many responsible positions in the field of education. Full stop. He was elected as the President of India in the year 1967. Full stop. He was the first Muslim president of our country. This information is not given, So from your own side you can add a few informations. I have given this information. He was the first Muslim president of our country. Full stop. For his great service to the country, he was awarded the Bharat Ratna, India's highest, Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian honor, in 1963. This way we will write. Now question number 2. Question number 2. Using the information given below, write brief bio sketch of your friend Ramesh Suman in about 100 words. Now you have to write bio sketch of your friend Ramesh. If you are boy, write to Ramesh, and if you are girl, write your friend Suman. Suman is a girl, Ramesh is a boy. First I read the information in the box. My friend Suman. If you are girl, write Suman. If you are boy, write Ramesh. 11 years old, quite pretty, cheerful, intelligent, likes to play games, participates in debates. Debates means discussion on any topics as a quiz. Fond of reading comics. Fond means likes. Fond of reading comics and watching Cartoon Network. What I will write? Listen carefully. My friend's name is Ramesh. You can also write Suman. My friend's name is Ramesh. He is. If you write Suman as a female friend, write she, not he. My friend's name is Ramesh. He is very pretty and cheerful and intelligent. He is 11 years old. He likes to play games and he is a good cricket player. He full stop. He participates in all the debates which are held in our school. Full stop. He is very fond of reading comics and watching Cartoon Network. Full stop. He is very helpful and kind. From my own side, I have added this sentence. You can add a few more sentences. I have added, he is very helpful and kind. Full stop. He is my best friend. Complete. This way we will write the bio sketch information about some persons. So students, that's all for today. Thank you.